Hello, this is going to be an unboxing video of the COMFEE stainless steel electric kettle, which you see here. Just an unboxing video, not a review, not a demonstration. So if you're looking for a review or a demonstration, this might not be the video for you. Just an unboxing video, and let's show you what we have here today in front of us. So COMFEE stainless steel electric kettle, just kind of a picture drawing here. On this side, you can pause if you'd like to read some more details. You can pause the video right here. And onto this side of the box, which is kind of the same front of the box. Sorry about this. I tried to remove the stickers so you can see. And this might be the same side as well. So there's not really too much detail, which is why we're going to just take it out of the box, and we're going to move the camera back just a little bit. So you can kind of see what's already here in the box. Momentarily we'll take everything out. COMFEE is how I drink. Here's a better drawing. Instruction manual. So feel free to pause the video. I'm not going to read the whole thing, but I'm going to scroll down. So if you'd like, I'm going to kind of move this down. So if you'd like to pause the video and read for yourself, because obviously I'm not going to hold it up for 5 minutes, then feel free to do so. Just going to do that right now. Okay, feel free to pause whenever you like. Okay, on to the next page. Next page. Sorry. Okay. How to use. Cleaning and maintenance. Again, feel free to pause. Disposal. Specifications. Okay. So that's it. I guess the how-to use section is more going to be one of the most relevant parts here. So feel free to pause. And again, that was here. You can just pause right there again if you'd like to see. Okay. So let's see what we have here in the box. Oh, this is a little bit heavy. Okay. Sorry. I don't know if you could see. Yeah. This camera is maybe not moved far back enough. Okay, so let's just... Okay, great. Very cool. You can kind of see me. There's the camera. Okay. Oh, makes sense. Makes perfect sense. This is for charging, I suppose. COMFEE electric kettle. Okay. Okay. And then I guess just be plugged in like that, I guess. Okay, so this is not a demonstration again, not an unboxing. Feel free to look at the instructions, but as soon as we have this piece for the plugging it into the outlet with this base, which connects to the actual kettle. So this has been an unboxing video. I think the maybe we should just take a look and just see if this all makes sense to us. How to use. Okay, open the lid, remove the kettle from the power base. That's the power base right there. Close the lid, connect the plug to a power outlet, press the power switch down to activate the kettle's heating. That's the power switch right there, I think. Here, you can hear it. That's the switch, I think. And then the kettle will automatically switch off once the water has boiled and the pilot light goes off. So there's a light. So there is a light somewhere. I don't know where that would be exactly. I guess we'd have to find out. Maybe it's here. Maybe there's a light somewhere here. I don't know. No, that's not the light. Okay, so there's a light somewhere, I guess. Not a demonstration, not a review. This has been an unboxing video of the COMFEE. Maybe on the other side of the box. The COMFEE stainless steel electric kettle. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.